How to hard reset Galaxy A07.
Step 1. To begin, quickly press and keep holding the volume down key together with the power button until the device completely powers off. Step 2. Afterwards, hold both the volume up and power buttons simultaneously, and at the same time attach the phone to a computer using a USB cable. Step 3. When the recovery mode screen appears, immediately let go of those buttons. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.